Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. So this morning I have started studying Bhagavad Gita, sloka by sloka. We will also study Vivekachudamani, 10 or 15 minutes time that YouTube actually allow us to do this. What is Vivekachudamani? The meaning of Vivekachudamani is the crust of discrimination. Viveka means discrimination. The Chudamani is a crust jewel. So this is another text of Sankaracharya. This text reaches the essence of Advaita Vedanta in a clear and systematic way. It explains how a seeker should develop Viveka, meaning discrimination between eternal and non-eternal, or the simple words, permanent and non-permanent. Now, I said this is one of the Prakarana Grantha. So what is Prakarana Grantha again? We know we have Veda, we have Upanishads, we have all the other texts of Purana, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, and so forth. So what is the Prakarana Grantha then? Prakarana Grantha explains as the Upanishads in a simple way. We can call it Prakarana Grantha as an introductory, explanatory Vedanta text. The ideas given in Upanishads are not easy to understand. But Prakarana Granthas will take us to the basics of knowledge, step by step. That's what the purpose of Prakarana Granthas. Now, some of the Sankaracharya's Prakarana Granthas are Vivekachudamani, Atma Bodha, Tattva Bodha, Aparokshanubhuti, Upadesha Sahasri, and so forth. There's many. Other Mahatmas also have written such Prakarana Granthas. So let me try to describe a little bit about Sankaracharya. There's so much to talk about him. At 80 years of age, he found his guru, traveled around three times in Bharat, revived or made more aware of the Dvaita Siddhanta. And he lived around between 1,200 to 1,300 years. Exact date, there's different opinions. So let us not try to find that. And the main teaching, his teaching is Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya, Jivo Brahmaiva Napara. What does that mean? That means Brahman alone. In our common language, we say Bhagavan alone, Lord alone. It's a Satyam. It's absolute reality. What about this world then? World is dependent and changing. World depends on Bhagavan, but it's also changing. The individual self is not different from the Brahman. That's the essence of your teaching. Sankaracharya wrote many commentaries on many Upanishads, about 12. 10 Upanishads we understand as Desha Upanishads. He wrote commentaries on Bhagavad Gita, Brahma Sutra. He also composed many devotional hymns and teachings. Through his work, he revived and clarified the path of knowledge, devotion, and dharma. Vivekachudamani is a beautiful Vedanta text that guides a sincere seeker from ordinary, worldly understanding to the highest knowledge of the self. It teaches that liberation comes through discrimination, detachment, and discipline. Devotion to Guru, direct knowledge of one's true nature of Brahman. There's so much to talk about Sankaracharya. We will slowly, as we study, time to time, we can think of it, we can remember how and glorify him. And we will jump into Vivekachudamani. The first sloka, he himself called Vandana sloka. He bowing down to his guru. I'll recite that and see if I can have enough time to explain it. The first sloka is Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Gocharam Tamagocharam Govindam Paramanandam Satgurum Pranadosmyaham. So he's bowing down to his game, we're doing pramanam to his guru. Let's try to understand each word that he says. Sarva Vedanta. Sarva means all. Sarva Vedanta. Vedanta is the teaching of Upanishads. Vedasya Anda Vedanta. Vedasya Andaha Vedanta. Through Vedas, what is to be understood? That is Vedanta. Another name for the Vedanta is Upanishads. It's part of the Veda, but it's the essence of Veda. Why is the essence of Veda? Because the goal of human being is to get out of this material life, material world. That teaching is in Upanishads. That is why it is called Vedanta. Siddhanta. You know what's Siddhanta? Siddhanta is a final teaching, conclusion. Vedasya Siddhanta, Vedanta Siddhanta. Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Gocharam. Gocharam means that is not accessible to, known through within the range of understanding. It's understanding within certain range, it is understandable. Beyond that, it is not. Agocharam is not understandable. Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Gocharam. Gocharam is understanding. Then he says Tam Agocharam. Govindam Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Gocharam. Whatever can be understood, whatever cannot be understood. The one who is realized by the conclusion of Vedanta, who? His guru. Tam, that person, Govinda, his name was Govinda. That Govinda what is that Govinda, his guru, is Paramananda. Is also so qualifying an adjective to his name. Paramananda. His nature is what? Nature is supreme bliss. Why? He's a knower. He's a Brahmanista. That Sadguru, Pranataha, bowing down, I am. I am bowing down to that Guru, Govinda, who knows what is Gocharam, what is Agocharam. What is his Swarupa? His Swarupa is supreme bliss. And he bowing down to his Guru. And then he will start with the second sloka and more Siddhanta, which we'll study tomorrow. So let me chant one more time the sloka. Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Gocharam Tamagocharam Govindam Paramanandam Sadgurum Pranadosmyaham. Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kachid Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om.